Hi, my name is Rainer Stropek from Time Cockpit, and today I'm very proud to present you the first public preview of our upcoming HTML5 client. If you want to launch it, use the URI web.timecockpit.com. It will bring you to the first screen. This first screen tells you that unfortunately the graphical timesheet calendar is not yet part of the HTML5 preview. We are really working hard on it, so we can add it as soon as possible. If you absolutely need a graphical timesheet calendar in your browser, please use the existing browser client, which uses Microsoft Silverlight technology. This preview focuses on tabular data management. For instance, we can use the main menu to launch the customer list. Those customers who made some significant extensions or customizations to Time Cockpit might wonder if the HTML5 client respects those customizations. Yes, it does. So no need to redo or invest additional money and time to change the customizations. Our goal is that the HTML5 preview just understands your additional, for instance, tables, columns, validation rules, menu items, and so on. If you use your specific login for Time Cockpit, your menu should already look completely different if you made some heavy customizations to Time Cockpit. Let's launch a more interesting list, for instance, the outgoing invoices list. Of course, you can use things like the date picker to filter your data or to, for instance, look for a specific project and filter on it. You can double click to open a record and change it. Again, validation rules, default values, and so on, they should just work also in the HTML5 preview. You can use hyperlinks to open a related record. And speaking of hyperlinks, it's an important thing to notice that Time Cockpit supports deep linking. For instance, we can copy this URI, open a new tab, and run the invoice list here in a second tab. Now we can use this one to drag it out and put it on a second screen, for instance. Go back to our original list and navigate to customers. And now we have two tabs, and you can put them on two different monitors and do some, for instance, project management work on both screens on your desktop, for instance. If you find something that you specifically like or dislike, if you find some flaws in the existing preview, please use the feedback tab on the right lower corner of the screen. Click on it. Optionally, use these features to highlight or point out specific things on the screen and tell us your comments here. Hit send. And your comment is uploaded into our trouble ticketing system, and we will get back to you to either fix the bug or discuss with you the feature request that you just sent to us. So with this, I would really ask you to try out the new HTML5 client, to use this preview and tell us what you think. Thank you for listening and watching, and have a lot of fun with using the new HTML5 client. Goodbye, see you next time.